Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you different ways to apply blusher for your face shape. Now generally speaking, with blusher, we know to apply it either to the cheekbone or the apple of the cheek. But everybody's face is different. And rather than following convention, what I want you to do is get your favorite blush. I'm going to use a cream blusher. And I want you to apply it in areas you haven't applied it before. So I'm just going to dip some product onto the brush. And for me, I like to apply blusher up high on the temple because it gives the illusion of I've been out in the sun. But instead, I'm going to sweep it across the middle section just for a change, just to see how it looks. Does it give the same sun-kissed approach? And for me, it did. So this is a good area. On you, it may not work, but this is what this video is about. Finding placements on your face that you're not used to and trying it. So normally I'd go here with blusher, but instead I'm going to start to tap it much lower and higher under the eye in just this section here. I just want to see how that looks, and then I'll just dab with a foundation brush to just tone it down. So you can see that there's a flush much closer to my face than if I did it here, which would be more uplifting. But this actually still looks natural. And it's an unusual place, one that we wouldn't normally think of doing. And again, on the other side, we'll do that more standard application, which is the cheekbone area. And then I'll take some product and I'll go into a V. So I'm joining it at the temple. And then to blend, I'm going to take my foundation brush and just stipple over this area. Now there's barely any product on the brush, but it's helping to blend this in. So you can see the difference between the two sides here. So here is the blush, it's much closer. I actually quite like that one. And then there's this one here that gives that real effective blush to the skin because it's going up and into the temple like it's radiating. Or try the apple of the cheek, but instead of smiling, apply it where you think the apple of the cheek is and apply it in a round stippling motion like this. And I'm bringing it up higher again. And this gives that rosy flush to the cheek where it's almost on the cheekbone, but not quite. It's as if it's on the cheekbone when it's at its highest, as opposed to when you stop smiling and the cheek lowers. Or go straight across the face, but underneath. So blusher normally goes up here, but let's try it much lower down. So underneath the cheekbone, almost like a 1980s contouring. And let's just see how that looks. You see, the thing is, with different faces, you get different results. And one of them may look good, but we're so stuck into thinking that blusher has to go in certain areas that we forget other areas of the face where it may look absolutely beautiful, like the bridge of the nose, or right into the temple, into the hairline, or just above the brow to give a sun-kissed look. There's so many options. Blusher is the most important part of your makeup because it gives life and vitality to the face and makes it look perfect. And I love blusher, I'm a huge fan. So next time you're doing a blusher, try some strange ways. You may be surprised at how amazing it looks in different areas of the face. Thanks for watching, see you all soon, bye-bye.